Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to split videos in your editing process. This allows you to have more precision when you're making videos, and it gives you the creative freedom to make all the design choices that you want. Let's begin on our artboard with our video. Don't forget that Simplified has an extensive and amazing video library with thousands of stock videos for you to choose from. So to begin the editing process, let's open our timeline view by clicking this in the bottom toolbar. This shows us a breakdown of second by second of our entire artboard. Because we want to trim our video, let's come to the three dots of our video element and then click Adjust. Now you can see that this block here represents our entire video length. So our video is about 15 seconds. So first I'm going to make sure that my video is selected, then I'm going to find the place in my video that I want to split, and then I'm going to use this Split Selected Layer button. And we can see that our video is now split into two different sections. So it's basically like you have two entirely different videos on your artboard. When splitting videos, you now have more control over adding or removing certain parts of the video. Remember, by clicking and dragging the ends of your video clip, you can either increase or decrease the video clipping. I'm going to split my video a few more times, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the split video to make a really fantastic video design. So now I've taken one video and actually made 4 different video elements. Then I added 3 different images and was able to incorporate them within the video, and now I'm going to show you the final result. And there you go, guys. That's just one example of how you can use the split video feature to help you really enhance your video design. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified's video editing tools can help you every step of the way. See you there.